Hi, this is Let's Build Housing with Stephen Hailstrom, sponsored by the Modular Masterclass, Build Better, Build Faster, and DFMMA, Design for Modular Manufacturing. Today's newsletter is called Understanding the Differences Between Modular and Conventional Construction. Welcome, housing enthusiasts. In this edition of Let's Build Housing, we're diving into the differences between conventional and modular construction projects. While both approaches aim to create high-quality housing, the processes, timelines, and skills involved are vastly different. Modular projects, in particular, offer the incredible advantage of speed, completing projects in nearly half the time of traditional construction. But there's a catch. To harness the full potential of modular builders, developers, and project managers need to understand these differences and adapt to new systems. This is where education comes in, and we're thrilled to have the Modular Masterclass as the sponsor of this newsletter. The Modular Masterclass is specifically designed to teach you how to build faster, more efficiently, and with a greater understanding of what it takes to make modular projects a success. By focusing on strategies, best practices, and innovations, the Modular Masterclass prepares industry professionals to navigate the unique processes that make modular construction the future of housing. Why is everybody not building modular? Key differences between conventional and modular construction. First, speed. Conventional projects often require sequential tasks that can stretch timelines, while modular construction allows for simultaneous work on site and in manufacturing facilities, slashing project timelines. Permitting efficiency. One of the major advantages of modular construction is how it can dramatically speed up the permitting process. Because modular buildings follow standardized designs, they can often bypass the extensive review stages that traditional custom-built projects face. Municipalities familiar with modular systems may pre-approve certain designs, expediting the entire process. Next, precision and quality. Modular projects are built with factory precision, ensuring quality control in every part of the assembly, while traditional construction can face variances due to on-site conditions. Lower carbon footprint. Shifting much of the construction work to a factory setting reduces the environmental impact. Fewer trucks and workers traveling to the construction site means reduced carbon emissions from transportation. Moreover, factory environments allow for greater energy efficiency, using less fuel and energy compared to traditional on-site work. Reduced waste. Studies have shown that modular construction can reduce waste by a minimum of 20% compared to traditional methods. The precision of factory construction means materials are used more efficiently, and offcuts are minimized. Additionally, factories have better waste management systems, allowing for better recycling and reuse. Logistics and coordination. Modular construction relies on logistics and coordination between manufacturers, transporters, and on-site crews to ensure modules are delivered and installed seamlessly. The management of these processes is very different from conventional construction. Learning curve. If you're used to traditional construction, be prepared to learn new processes. This is where the Modular Masterclass comes in to help you navigate the shift to faster, scalable construction with ease. Oh, here's a special announcement. Exciting news. Stephen Hailstrom will be appearing on the Commercial Real Estate CRE podcast. It will drop on Apple Podcasts and Spotify on Tuesday, October 29th. Take a listen. Tune in to hear him discuss modular construction, the future of housing, the good, the bad, and the ugly of what's in it for you. Why modular is the solution to the housing crisis. As the housing crisis intensifies, everyone, the construction industry, the people, the developers, the governments are all looking for scalable solutions that can meet the ever-growing demand for affordable, high-quality housing. Modular construction is that solution. The housing crisis is largely a crisis of supply. Traditional legacy construction simply can't keep up with the demand. Modular construction provides the scalability needed to build large volumes of housing quickly without sacrificing quality. By moving a significant portion of the construction process off-site, modular methods accelerate timelines, reduce costs, and create more predictable outcomes. Scalability. Modular construction enables the rapid production of a variety of housing options and configurations in a factory controlled environment, ensuring consistent quality across projects. This method can be easily scaled up, allowing developers to build more in less time. Cost efficiency. Because modular projects are built in a factory, they are less susceptible to weather delays and the rising costs of on-site labor. This allows for better control over costs and faster project completion. Environmental benefits. Modular construction significantly reduces the carbon footprint of projects. With most of the work done in factories, fewer transportation trips are needed, and less heavy machinery is required on site. This helps cut down emissions. Waste reduction. Modular construction generates up to 90% less waste on site compared to traditional construction, thanks to the precision and efficiency of off-site manufacturing. In a world where speed, efficiency, and quality are paramount, modular construction is the only way to create true scalability in housing. And by adopting modular techniques, we can begin to solve the housing shortage while also building a more sustainable future. The path forward. Stay tuned for more insights and updates, and don't forget to check out the Modular Masterclass to take your construction knowledge to the next level. Until next time, let's build smarter. My thoughts. As I think about the future of construction, it's hard to ignore how modular methods are reshaping the industry. What excites me most is the ability to build homes quicker with less waste and with a smaller carbon footprint. This addition highlights the need for education in adopting these methods. But it's a change we must embrace. Modular construction isn't just a trend. It's a critical part of the solution to the housing crisis and a more sustainable way forward. Let's lead the way in revolutionizing the housing industry. Until next time, let's build housing.